Welcome student in English online class. Today we are going to learn a lullaby. A lullaby means what? A lullaby is a soft song, slow song, gentle song to put children to sleep. Our mother sings the lullaby to make us sleep at the night time when we go on the bed, right? In Marathi आपण त्याला म्हणतो अंगाई गीत किंवा लोरी. So today we are going to learn a lullaby and the name of the lullaby is Minnie and Winnie. So open your English textbook page number 28. Okay, so first of all we are going to learn some new words. Look at this picture. What we call this picture? It is a shell. Okay, seashell. We find this such type of seashells near the sea or even near the river also. So it is called shell. SHELL, shell. Look at the color also. The color of shell is silver color. Next picture. Look at this, Minnie and Winnie sleeping inside the shell, right? Look at this green and blue, Minnie and Winnie. And look at the shell also. The shell inside the color is pink color and outside the color is silver. Okay, and look at these two stars also. They are looking at the Minnie and Winnie. Oh, what are they doing? Sleeping. And look at the moon also. Okay, Minnie and Winnie sleeping in the shell. Next picture is, what is it? It is a craft. What is it? It is a, this picture is a craft. CROFT. Croft means what? Croft means small farm. Okay, look at the farm. Okay, that is called croft. Next picture. Wow, what a beautiful bird. What is it? What is the name of the bird? It is a green linnet. Green linnet. Look at the close look. What a nice bird. Okay, green linnet. Next picture is, yes, what is that boy doing? The boy is peeping. Peep into. Peep into means what? Peep into means looking quickly and looking without making noise. काही लोक असतात ते दुसऱ्यांच्या घरामध्ये खिडकीतून डोकावून बघतात, दरवाजाच्या फटीतून डोकावून बघतात. सो दॅट इज कॉल्ड पीप इनटू. Okay, looking without making noise, that is called peep into. Look at these stars. The stars are peeping into the shell. Okay, now we are going to read the poem and learn the poem. Okay, so one by one, stanza by stanza. Look at the first stanza. I read loudly. You also look into your book and read silently. Let's start. Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. Sleep, little ladies, and they slept well. Okay, so Minnie and Winnie, there are two girls and they slept in a shell. Okay, and they slept well. They slept soundly. Okay. Now next stanza is that, what is the meaning of first stanza? मिनी आणि विनी ह्या दोघी मैत्रिणी किंवा दोघी बहिणी ह्या शेलमध्ये म्हणजे त्या शिंपल्याच्या आतमध्ये झोपलेल्या आहेत आणि त्या दोघीजणी मस्त अगदी झोपलेल्या आहेत, गाढ झोपलेल्या आहेत. ओके, नाव लुक ॲट द सेकंड स्टँजा. पिंक वॉज द शेल विथिन, सिल्वर विदाउट, साऊंड्स ऑफ द ग्रेट सी वॉन्डर about. Now what is the meaning of this stanza? Now that shell, the color of the shell outside outside is silver and inside means within means in. Inside the color of the shell is pink and outside the color of the shell is silver. Okay, and there is a big sound of the sea and that sound spread everywhere in the sea. ओके, म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये ते ज्या शिंपल्यामध्ये झोपलेले आहेत दोघी जणी त्या शिंपल्याच्या आतमधला जो रंग आहे तो पिंक आहे आणि बाहेरचा जो रंग आहे तो सिल्वर आहे आणि तो शिंपल्या ज्या समुद्रात आहे त्या समुद्रामध्ये मोठमोठा आवाज समुद्राच्या लाटांचा येतोय आणि तो सगळीकडे पसरतो आहे. ओके, नाव लुक ॲट द थर्ड स्टँजा. स्लीप लिटिल लेडीज, wake not soon, echo and echo on echo dies to the moon. Now the poet says that echo and echo means again and again, dies to the moon. Dies to the moon means the sound comes from the moon. Okay, and because of the sound is coming from the moon, it is little bit that sound coming from far away. Okay, so that's why the sound becoming faint means low sound coming from the moon. And what that sound is speaking is telling that, oh, Minnie and Winnie, sleep little ladies, sleep, sleeps and do not wake up. Okay, so the sound says that again and again. Sound says that sleep little ladies and wake not, do not wake soon because it is a नाईट. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये काय सांगतोय की जो आवाज आहे जो चंद्रावरून आवाज येतोय आणि त्याच्यामुळे एवढ्या लांबून आवाज आल्यामुळे तो हळू आवाज झालेला आहे आणि तो परत 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 काय सांगतोय आवाज की हे तुम्ही दोन मुलींनो तुम्ही झोपून राहा, आता उठू नका, अजून खूप वेळ आहे, अजून रात्र आहे, तेव्हा अजून तुम्ही झोपूनच राहा, उठू नका. नाव नेक्स्ट स्टँजा. In the next stanza, I read the next stanza. Two bright stars peeped into the shell. What are they dreaming of? Who can't tell? Okay, now in this stanza, the Minnie and Winnie, they slept into the shell. Okay, so there are two bright stars. They are peeping into the shell. Okay, peeping into means what? Peeping into means look quickly or looking without making any noise. डोकावून बघणे. So what are they peeping into and why are they peeping into? They are peeping into because they want to know that what are they dreaming of? What Minnie and Winnie are dreaming. काय स्वप्न बघतायत? And what? No one can tell. Okay, they are peeping. But no one can tell that what the ladies are dreaming of. म्हणजे मराठीमध्ये सांगतो की ज्या मिनी आणि विनी शेलमध्ये झोपलेल्या आहेत आणि दोन तारे जे आहेत ते वाकून बघतायत की ह्या मिनी आणि विनी कुठलं स्वप्न बघतायत बरं. ते वाकून बघतायत पण त्यांना ते समजत नाही, त्यांना ते दिसत नाही आहे आणि म्हणून सांगतायत ते की कोण सांगणार बरं आम्हाला ते कसलं स्वप्न बघतायत, असे ते प्रश्न विचारतात. अँड द लास्ट स्टँजा. स्टार्टेड अ ग्रीन लिनेट आउट ऑफ द क्रॉफ्ट, वेक लिटिल लेडीज, द सन इज अलॉफ्ट. सन इज अलॉफ्ट मीन्स वॉट? सन इज रायझिंग, सन इज अप. नाव इन दिस स्टँजा we learn that the linnet bird started a linnet bird out of the crop means the linnet bird is flying. Okay, because it is a morning now. Okay, and that's why the linnet bird woke up and he started flying. He is searching now to getting a food. Okay, and that bird is saying that, oh, Minnie and Winnie, you get up, you wake up because the sun is up now, sun is rising now. Okay, it is a morning. Okay, so just like that. Now who is the poet? Alfred Lord Tennyson. He is a poet. Now students, you read this poem again silently. Now look at the activity number 2. What is that activity? Find the rhyming words from the poem. Okay, so the words are given: shall, without, soon, shall, and croft. Okay, so now where do we see rhyming words? We see rhyming words at the end of the each line. Now look at this. Look at the last words: Winnie, shell, ladies, well. So rhyming word is shell and well. Look at the second stanza: within, without, see, about. So what is the rhyming word? Without, about. Look at the third stanza. Here is the third stanza. Now ladies, soon, echo, moon. So what is the rhyming word? Soon and moon. Next stanza. Next stanza, the last words: stars. Last word is stars, shell, or tell. So the rhyming word is shell and tell. And final stanza. Look at the final stanza. Rhyming word: linnet, croft, ladies, aloft. So what is the rhyming word? Croft and aloft. Okay. Now look at the third number activity one by one. What is the activity? From the poem, copy the following words. Okay. So the first activity is words words that words that begin with S. S. Okay, this is the activity. So now you pause the video and find out the words in the poem which begins with S. For example, I show you one word, for example, begin with S. For example, see, sleep. So the word slept begins with S. Shell. The word shell begins with S. Okay, now pause the video and find out the words begins with S. Okay, now I tell you all words: slept, shell, sleep, silver, sounds, sea, soon, stars, started, sun. These are the words. Okay. Look at the next activity. Words that have the letter L. L. Have the letter L. Okay. So now in this poem, we are going to find out the words having letter L. L असलेली letter. For example, I show you some example, one two example, and then you find out. The first word is here. One second. Okay, yeah. Now look at this word slept. L. Here is the L. Now in this word also there are two L's. Okay. Now in this word also, in this word, you see that sleep. L is here. Little. L is here. Well. Double L is here. Okay. Now pause the video and find out the words which have the letter L. Okay, now I tell you the words: slept, shell, sleep, little, ladies, well, silver, tell, aloft. Now the next activity, opposite words. Now we are going to find out the pair of opposite word. Opposite word means what? Viruddharthi shabda. Now pause the video and first of all you find out three opposite pairs. Okay, so look at this. The first pair is in and out. Second pair is within, without. And third pair is sleep. Opposite word is wake up. Where is the wake up? Here is the third pair, sleep and wake. Okay, so these are the pairs, three pairs of opposite words. Now the next activity is that four what four things you may see in the sky. Okay, four things you may see in the sky. Now again you pause the video and first of all find out the four things which we see in the sky. Now see, four thing, here is the first moon we see in the sky. Next is stars we see in the sky. Next is linnet bird we see flying in the sky. And the sun is in the sky. Now look at the activity number 4. I read, Minnie and Winnie slept well in a shell. Can you think of other safe and nice places where they can sleep well? Now again pause the video and think about the safe and nice places where you can sleep well. Okay, so I think that I can sleep well in my home, and I can sleep well in the hotel also, in the lodging also. Okay, so check your list where you can sleep well. Now the fifth activity, find and copy the following from the poems. Okay, two statements means what? Simple sentences like I am a teacher, you are a student, we are watching the video. Simple statements. Okay, simple sentences. Now pause the video and find out two statements in the poem. Okay, now look here. Here are many statements. Look at the first statements also. Simple sentence, Minnie and Winnie slept in a shell. This is a simple sentence. Next is that pink was the shell within, silver without. Okay. And next also, sounds of the great sea wandered about. These are the simple statements. Okay. Now next activity is two questions. Finding question is very simple because there are question marks at the end of the statement. So it is very easy. Look at the poem. Where are the question mark? Two question marks. Yes, here it is. The first question and second question. What is that question? What are they dreaming of? And second question is, who can tell? These are the two questions. And look at the last activity, two commands. Commands means ordered. Okay, what are the two orders? Okay, here are the commands. First is here, sleep little ladies. This is the command, sleep now. The next is wake not soon. Don't wake up, wake not soon. And here is also wake little ladies, wake up now. This is also one command. So there are three commands. Okay, so our poem is completed. Now just fun. Here is the last activity, is one type of fun. It is called tongue twister. Learn to say the following faster and faster. Okay, first of all we are going to read this slowly, and then we are going to read this faster and faster. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashore seashells on the seashore. Okay, try this and look at the next sentence also here. What is it? It is a very big sentence. Look at this. What is it? Swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swam back again. Well swam, swan. Oh, very difficult. Let's try. Swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swams back again. Well swam, swan. Yes, I got it. Again. Okay. So in this way, swan swam over the sea. Swim, swan, swim. Swan swam back again. Well swam, swan. Oh, very funny. You try it.